everybody, welcome to Creative by Nature Art and Life. My name is Donna. I have a Christmas thrift haul to share with y'all, so let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing I found was this beautiful tin, and this is by the artist Marjolaine, I believe it's Boston, sorry. Bastion? Sorry. Marjolaine, I think it's Bastion. Anyways, she is a card artist. She makes gorgeous cards. I actually have some of her cards and they're beautiful. She does cards for Hallmark. Oh, sorry, this was actually a puzzle piece. Oh, cool. Too bad the puzzle wasn't still in there. Anyways, the tin's beautiful. I think it would be really beautiful on display. I found some Christmas books. This one is the Victoria, the Heart of Christmas. It's got beautiful images. I just think it's so beautiful. So this could just be left as is, or you could even cut the images out and use them in projects. I think it'll make a really nice Christmas coffee table book. You can dress this up. I mean, it's got a beautiful red color here, so we'll see. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. But yeah, this was originally like just shy of $28. Got it for $1. And then my friend Helen from Moss Cottage, she got me onto the idea of these Ideals Christmas magazines. I had never heard of them before. So this one was only $1. And it's got gorgeous images in it, and it's got stories. I fell in love with this, and I like that it doesn't have the glossy pages. It's all matte. So I thought this would be great either to use in a junk journal or, again, just to have it sitting out on the coffee table. Okay, so this isn't specifically Christmas, but I wanted to share it in this haul because it's faux fur, and I use this for my gnomes, my Christmas gnomes. So that's why I'm sharing it here. So this is, looks like somebody was in the middle of making a hat for a jacket. And I paid $2, or it was $2. I got 50% off, so I paid $1 for this. And then this is a cuff to a jacket. Beautiful piece. Again, it was $2 and I got it for $1. Okay, I found this beautiful table runner, and it's velvet, and I love the color. I'm not crazy about this portion, but it's not in good shape, but I thought a person could cut that off and use it in a journal or something. But I have a project in mind for this portion, and it could be used for fall as well, but it's just stunning. It is so beautiful. I love the richness of it. And again, I got it, it was $4, got it 50% off, and I paid only $2. I actually had been eyeing this in the store for a while. I was surprised that it was still there because it's just so beautiful. I found a package of these Christmas cards, and I thought they were really nice. They'd be great to use in junk journals, or you can even frame them and use them as art on the wall. I love this. I think it's just so pretty. So I grabbed that, and I paid, it wasn't very much, $1 for that package. And then I found this package of mistletoe. This piece was on sale. It was $2, and it got it for 50% off. And it's plastic. And I mean, I don't think it's vintage. It doesn't look like it to me. I could be wrong, but it kind of reminded me of vintage. So I thought, this would be really pretty to put in like a little cup or saucer, or on a tier tray or something. So got that for my stash. Okay, so on to some vintage finds. I got, this isn't specifically vintage, but it's vintage inspired. It is a keepsake Hallmark ornament. It's brand new. It does not look like it's been used, or it was just really well taken care of. And it is a vintage truck. I thought that was so cool. I love the color. I'm not crazy about the little puny Christmas tree that's in the back. I might change that out. But I thought that was so cool. And look how good a shape that is in. Like, there's no scratches on it, nothing. So I got that, and it is a 1960 Ford F100. So I found this bag of bells, $1, and it was a mixed bag, and it had some really old ones. I mean, look at that. Aren't those just beautiful? Love that. So I grabbed that. It was mixed in with these other type, which are newer bells, but I was definitely after these ones. So I was so happy to find those. So I'm not exactly sure if these are vintage, but they're definitely retro. And they were originally from Kmart, which I thought was super cool. We haven't had Kmart here in Canada for a long time. I paid $2 for them. Glass ornaments made in Poland, and they are in excellent shape. They're all intact. Some of them the paint is wearing, which I am okay with. That just adds to the patina. So I just thought these were so fun. I was, again, surprised that these were still on the shelf. And it's the Santa Land glass ornaments, and the box was made in Canada. So I thought that was a really fun find. Okay, and then this coloring book. It is, I would consider retro. It's definitely got the vintage look to it. But I checked the date, and it's definitely newer. And I only paid 25 cents. Again, it was originally from Kmart. It's a golden brand, but look at these fun images. And the paper has yellowed, which I thought was kind of cool. So this would be great to use in a journal, or even just for your kids to actually use as coloring. There is this one page that was already colored in here. Oh, a few more. That does not bother me at all. I was just after the imagery. So got that. And then this is vintage. This is 25 cents, and it's a Christmas music sheet book. So I was excited to find this because you can use this for crafts. You can use this in journals. You can frame these and use it as wall art. So I was really happy to find that. And then I found these gift tags. I have no idea if these are vintage or retro. I only paid 50 cents. They've never been taken out of the package. It says they were made in the US, so that was cool. Anyways, I love them. They kind of have that yellowed kind of look to them, which just adds to the character. I thought these would be so fun. Again, you can use them as actual gift tags, or they would be cute in a Christmas journal. Okay, these are not Christmas specific, but I'm using them at Christmas time, and these are vintage canning jars. They're so cool. I love this. I thought they would be great to use as lanterns. So I love that it says made in Canada, and this one was $2. Typically these jars go for more, but this has got some chips in it, and that didn't bother me at all because I'm just going to be putting them up on my shelf. They're not going to be actually used. Again, this one's a made in Canada, and it's got a chip as well. I paid only $1 for that one. And then this one as well, it's like the smaller version of this one. Again, made in Canada, and it was $1, and there's chips in that one as well. But yeah, if you're just going to be using them as lanterns for decor, why not, right? So I was super excited to find those. Okay, and then my most exciting find. This is a vintage, and I was so excited to see it sitting there on the shelf. It's $2.50. And the box is really weathered and worn, but it is full of vintage ornaments. I don't think these are vintage. I could be wrong. Not that big of a fan of these, but I love the ornaments. This one's actually my most favorite. It is gorgeous. It's actually like see-through now. The paint is worn that much. I just love the patina of old ornaments, and I love it when the hanger portion is all worn, and it's just so beautiful. And I love it when too they crackle, like some of these orange ones are crackled. So, and then there was just one like this. It's broken, but that is okay. I think that they'll be just beautiful in a bread bowl that I have. So, aren't they just beautiful? Oh, that one's broken too, so person's got to be very careful with these. But yeah, so I was so happy to find those. My thrift stores actually don't have a whole lot of Christmas vintage. I don't know if it's just slow coming or if people are just really into the old nostalgia of everything this year, but I was just happy with what I did find, so I can't complain. So I want to thank you all so much for being here. I hope you're all doing well. We are under tighter restrictions here where I am. They're trying to get a handle on things again, so yeah, again, I just really do hope you're all doing well. Let me know what your favorite thing here that I found was today, and let me know about any of the fun things you've been finding. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye.